Imagine this, you're on the go, juggling a million tasks. You need to check in on a project, update a deadline, or maybe just jot down a quick idea. What if you could do all of this without having to sit down at your computer? The short answer is, absolutely. Asana, the popular project management tool, is fully optimized for mobile use. In fact, it's designed to be just as powerful and intuitive on your phone as it is on your desktop. But before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back. Why is using Asana on your phone so important? Well, consider these scenarios. Remote work. If you're working remotely, having access to your tasks and projects on your phone is essential. It allows you to stay connected and productive, no matter where you are. On-the-go projects. Maybe you're managing a project that requires you to be out and about. With Asana on your phone, you can easily update tasks, communicate with team members, and stay on top of deadlines. Quick check-ins. Even if you're primarily a desktop user, having Asana on your phone is a great way to quickly check in on tasks, update priorities, or jot down new ideas. Key features and benefits. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do with Asana on your phone. Task management. Create, edit, and manage tasks just like you would on your computer. Assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add attachments. Project management. View project timelines, assign tasks to team members, and track progress. You can also create and manage subtasks to break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable chunks. Communication. Send and receive messages, comments, and notifications directly within Asana. Collaborate with your team in real time and keep everyone on the same page. Time tracking. Use Asana's built-in time tracking feature to log hours worked on specific tasks. This can help you stay organized and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. Customizations. Asana offers a variety of customization options, allowing you to tailor the app to your specific needs. Create custom fields, assign colors to different project types, and more. Demo. Insert a screen recording or video demonstration of Asana's mobile app, showcasing key features like task creation, project management, communication, and time tracking. Addressing common concerns. Now, you might be wondering if using Asana on your phone is as efficient as using it on your computer. The answer is, it depends. While the mobile app offers many of the same features as the desktop version, there are a few limitations to consider. Screen size. The smaller screen of a phone can make it more challenging to view and edit tasks, especially if you have a lot of information to display. Keyboard. Typing on a phone keyboard can be slower and more error-prone than using a physical keyboard. File attachments. While you can attach files to tasks on your phone, the process might be a bit more cumbersome than on a desktop. Tips for optimal use. To get the most out of Asana on your phone, here are a few tips. Take advantage of shortcuts. Asana offers a variety of shortcuts that can help you navigate the app more efficiently. Use the search function. The search function is a great way to quickly find specific tasks, projects, or team members. Customize your view. Experiment with different views to find the one that works best for you. Stay organized. Keep your tasks and projects organized by using tags, labels, and custom fields. So, can you use Asana on your phone? Absolutely. Asana's mobile app is a powerful and versatile tool that can help you stay productive and organized, no matter where you are. Whether you're working remotely, managing a project on the go, or simply looking for a way to stay on top of your tasks, Asana's mobile app has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.